Let's see how to fix the Instagram follower stuck problem. So first you have to open up your Instagram app and go to your profile. So here you can notice my follower count is stuck at 8, but I'm still getting notifications that people are following me. However, the follower count is not updating. So which is really frustrating, but don't worry, here's how to fix it. So just go back to your Instagram and open the App Store. Now search for Instagram and check if there's an update available. If you see an update available like this, just go for update, and once the app is fully updated, open Instagram again and check if the problem is fixed. But if the issue is still there, go to your iPhone settings, then tap on General, and from iPhone storage section, you have to search Instagram. And here we'll see that Instagram is using a lot of documents and data. Just go for offload app and confirm the process. Don't worry, this won't delete any of your data. This actually cleared the cache from your Instagram. And after offloading, reinstall Instagram again. So you have to wait until the app is fully reinstalled, then open it and check your follower count. If you're still stuck on this problem, tap the hamburger menu and now you have to go to the help center. Just go for report a technical problem section, select report problem without shaking, then don't include and continue. Now explain the issue you're facing. So after that, you have to make sure to enter your username and email address so Instagram can easily contact you. So you can also upload your screenshot showing the stuck follower count, and after submitting the report, wait for Instagram to respond. And in most cases, the issue gets fixed after that. And that's it. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.